Hello friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I want to share with you about our Bambu 3D printer. We are absolutely loving this. So check out my unboxing video to show everything that comes in the box, but this is seriously, it's plug and play. The app is so easy to use. It is so fun, and it really, if you are technically challenged but still want to explore a 3D printer, this is definitely the one for you. This is so smart, like even longer projects, this will, if your electricity gets interrupted, it will pick up where it needs to start over again. Like it was just so good. We are having so much fun, not only doing toys for the kids, toys for ourselves, things for around the house. There are just so many things that you can't even believe all the different things that you can print with this 3D printer and this world. It is just, it's addicting. It is so fun. And we are enjoying this so much more than we even thought we would. So we hope you choose this Bambu printer and have as much fun as we have had.